Welcome back to SM Home Design. Today we're diving into the top 100 bedroom cabinet. Ideas that will inspire your next home makeover. Whether you're looking for modern minimalism, rustic charm, or luxury storage solutions, we've got you covered! Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more amazing design ideas, and share your favorite cabinet style in the comments below. Let's start with modern and minimal cabinets. Sleek sliding door wardrobes with mirror finishes. Matte black cabinets that give your bedroom a bold statement. Built-in wall cabinets with hidden handles for a clutter-free look. Floating bedside cabinets that save space and look stylish. Minimalism is all about clean lines and smart storage, perfect for small city apartments in the US. If you love cozy, warm vibes, Rustic and Farmhouse cabinets are for you. Wooden cabinets with distressed finishes. White shaker-style cabinets with barn door sliders. Wicker and rattan cabinet accents for a natural touch. Open shelf wooden wardrobes that feel welcoming. These designs bring comfort and country charm right into your bedroom. Now let's talk luxury. High-gloss Italian wardrobes with LED lighting. Walk-in cabinets with glass doors and custom shelving. Velvet or leather-paneled cabinet doors for a premium touch. Smart cabinets with motion sensor lighting. These are perfect if you want a high-end look that feels straight out of a design magazine. Not everyone has a big bedroom, so let's explore some space-saving cabinet ideas. Corner cabinets that maximize unused areas. Over-the-bed storage units, under-bed drawers that act like hidden cabinets. Foldable wardrobes for small apartments. These are great for compact homes and dorm rooms across the US. Finally, some creative touches. Cabinets with wallpapered or painted doors. Color pop cabinets in navy, green, or blush. Mixed material cabinets using glass, wood, and metal. Custom modular systems you can rearrange anytime. Your bedroom should reflect your personality. These options make it truly yours. And that's our list of the top 100 bedroom cabinet ideas. Which style was your favorite modern, rustic, luxury, or space-saving? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to SM Home Design, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.